So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add audio player to your Wix website. So come on this website called ewbsite.com, go for widgets, go in the section of audio and click on audio player. Now click on create widget and you can choose whichever template you like. After choosing your favorite template, click on continue with this template. And you can also customize your template here, and after customizing it, click on join to install. Now you just have to sign up for your ewbsite account. And after signing up, you just have to click on save button and choose this subscription. And you're ready to go. With just click to copy, and now you just have to click on this code to copy it. And now come on to your editor.wix.com and go for add elements. After that, go for embed code and now go for embed HTML. Now click on this box, paste the code you have just copied and now click on update. And you can see the player right now which I have chosen for my Wix website. So if you find this video interesting and helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.